In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Microsoft Outlook. We're going to walk through some of the most useful customization options in Outlook so you can make your inbox feel cleaner, easier to navigate, and better suited to the way you work. These changes can improve both comfort and productivity, especially if you spend a lot of time in email each day. To begin, go to your Outlook inbox dashboard. This is the main screen where you can see your messages, folders, and navigation options. Once you're there, you'll have access to the settings that control how Outlook looks and behaves. The first things you can customize are your mailbox layout and views. This is a great place to start because it affects how information is displayed on screen. If your inbox feels too crowded, too spread out, or simply not intuitive, adjusting the layout can make a big difference right away. One of the most important options is the reading pane. This controls how your emails are previewed before you fully open them. To change it, go to the View tab, then Layout, and then Reading pane. From there, you can choose to place it on the right, move it to the bottom, or turn it off completely. The right side view is useful for wider screens, while the bottom view can feel more natural if you prefer reading top to bottom. Next, you can adjust the folder pane. This is the area that shows your inbox, sent items, drafts, and other folders. Go to the View tab, then Layout, and choose Folder pane. Here, you can collapse or hide the folder list to free up more screen space. This is especially helpful if you're working on a smaller monitor or laptop. You can also change the message density, which affects how compact or spacious your message list appears. Look for density or view settings and choose the display style that feels most comfortable. A more compact view lets you see more emails at once, while a roomier layout can make scanning easier. For visual personalization, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Then go to General and Appearance. Here you can choose a theme and switch between light and dark mode. This is a simple change, but it can make Outlook more pleasant to use throughout the day. You can also customize fonts and signatures. To change the default font, size, and color for outgoing messages, go to File, then Options, then Mail, and select Stationery and Fonts. This helps keep your emails consistent and professional. Finally, personalize your messages by creating a custom signature in the Mail menu settings. A signature can automatically add your preferred closing details to every message, saving time and giving your emails a polished finish. And that's how to customize Microsoft Outlook so it works better for you.